Good morning, students. I'm feeling very glad that our studies has been resumed. So, a great welcome to all of you. Today is our first class, so I will start it with English. And today we are going to see our first poem, 1.1, that is past, present, future. Now, many times we think that what our past can affect on our present, or what can our present affect on future. So it is not like that. Some effects are there, and the same thing we are going to study in this poem. It is a very beautiful poem in which I am going to tell you some relations, that how past, present and futures are correlated with each other. So please open your textbook, chapter number 1, past, present, future. Through this poem we will learn how to make connections between past and our life. Through this poem, we will learn how to identify the rhyme scheme. Today I am going to teach you rhyme scheme. Rhyming words many times we have learned, but how to find out rhyme scheme is also great skill. Okay, so let's start with the poem. Page number 1. Pay attention while I am reading the poem. First stanza. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. An autumn evening soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. Tell me, what is the present hour? A green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits gathering its power to mount and fly away. And what is the future, happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea, stretching into infinity. Now just 1 minute I am going to give you, and all of you will have a silent reading. Okay, now see the first stanza, my dear students. In first stanza, the poet wants to explain that he is asking us that, oh child, what kind of past you were having? And the child replied that it was like an autumn past. Autumn is a season, retreating season, where it is very, though it is a good season, but many people feel it as a bored one. So it is talking about mournfully. Mourning means it is a very sad kind of emotions. Sadly, whenever we want to say when our mood is off, at that time we use this word mournfully. And then in second stanza, again the poet is asking the child, now he is asking about the present. What kind of present you are having? Now the poet is comparing the child's present as green and flowery spray. Now first stanza, it was about autumn. Autumn is a retreating season, as I've told you. Present is greenery, means we have to live in our present. We can't much think about past, and we have to be in present. When a young bird sits gathering its power to mount and fly away. He has compared the present situation with a bird with immense power, full of power, who is sitting on a tree and he is ready to fly away. This is our present situation. And in the last stanza, what is the future? Yes, he is describing about our future, and whatever our future is there, it is dependent on our present. If our present is good, automatically our future will be better. He is telling the same. Our future is like a sea beneath a cloudless sun. Vast sea. If you have seen what kind of situation of sea is very vast. Everywhere you are going to put a glance, you are going to see water everywhere. There is no kind of anything. A mighty, glorious, dazzling sea. Sea is very glorious, mighty, full of power, just moving from one corner to another corner, putting the ships from one place to another. It is because of that. Stretching into infinity. Infinity means unlimited, uneven. Now, what I have told you about, we are going to learn about the rhyming scheme. So just see in the first stanza. Tell me, smiling child. The last word which ending is child. Okay, in rhyming scheme, whatever first word is going to come, we are going to give its alphabet A. Okay, then see the second line. What the past is like to thee. His child is rhyming with thee. Child, thee. No, correct. So now for thee we are going to give letter B. Now see the third line. An autumn evening soft and mild. What is the last word? Mild. Now just have a check. Is mild is rhyming with child or thee? Child, mild. Yes, it is rhyming with child. So what letter we are going to give now? Again E. Correct. And fourth line of first stanza. With a wind that sighs mournfully. Now we have to check. Mournfully is rhyming whether with which word? Child, the, mild, mournfully. Yes, you tell. Correct. Mournful is rhyming with the. Child, mild, the, mournfully. So now for mournfully also we are going to give the letter B. In this way, what is our rhyming scheme? A, B, A, B. Correct, students. So in this way we have studied today the rhyming scheme as well as poem. Homework for you, I have taught you the rhyming scheme of first stanza. At home you are going to find out second and third stanza rhyming scheme. I am going to check it tomorrow. Thank you very much.